Hello everybody, how are you? So welcome to my channel Tech Drive. So guys, today we will learn about Python basics. So we will start from now. And the first lesson is, so I'm going to start from Chrome Online Interpreter Programmers.com. So guys, first introduction. So guys, welcome to my Python, and I want to show you want to build a sleek website, develop a video game, may create a artificial intelligence like Jarvis. Python's got covered and then some. Python is a high-level programming language with tons of applications. It is seriously flexible and accessible, which makes it popular with some of the biggest and coolest organizations. Then think like Google, NASA, Disney, and even CIA. In this course, we will cover some basics of Python and we will build a real life project and solve different coding challenges. Each lesson will be followed by a quiz designed to help you practice and retain the concepts learned. Ready? Let's jump right in. Which version of Python are we going to learn in this course? The options are Python 3, Python 7 and Python 2. This is for you. Comment in description. Now we will write our first program called Hello World. So in Python, we use print function to output text. So to generate our message, the code would look like this. Print hello world. It would look like this. And when we click on run, here it will be displayed hello world. One more quiz. Drag and drop the current option to output the learning Python. So the options are filled. So the question is blank, brackets, double quotes, learning Python, double quotes, brackets. So what will be the right answer in blank? The options are write, print and output. I will give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. And the right answer is print. Print is the right answer. In here, this was a blank and we have to complete it. So now we will move next and so guys, now we will continue in our journey of Python with simple operations. So now we will learn about simple operations. So Python can spell, but can it count? Let's talk about calculations. Doing a calculation in Python is simple. Just enter it into a print statement and don't forget to use parentheses. Do you know what is parentheses? So I will show you what is parentheses. So these brackets, you can see these round brackets which surround the hello world with double quotes. These are called parenthesis brackets. So to write, so To calculate numbers in Python, we use like this. Print. So when we print some numbers, we don't use double quotes. We simply write the number, like, because these are alphabets. And these should be surrounded in double quotes. But in case of numbers, we don't surround them with double quotes. Sorry. So 1 plus plus 2. Hey, I wanna 1 minute. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. Let's check what this prints. 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So this is how we calculate numbers in Python. So now we will continue in simple operations. Now we will be pro in simple operations. Multiplication and division in Python are also pretty simple. We use an asterisk. I show you what is asterisk. So this is called an asterisk. Asterisk is this. And to multiply a number, we use asterisk. Asterisk 2. 3 asterisk 2 means 3 multiplied by 2. And to divide, we use slash, like this. 3 slash 2. 3, it means 3 divided by 2. Just like in regular math, we use parentheses to indicate the operations we want perform first. But we still need to include the ones around statement too, like this. So guys, as you know, BODMAS, we have to surround them with parentheses. Like I show you example. 2 plus 3. 3 into 9. This means the multiplication in under brackets, we have to first solve multiplication under the brackets. Then after we will add 2 with the answer, just like Python. So we can also do that like Python. So to do that, we can write print 2 multiply by 3 plus 3 plus 4, and this 14. So what was the operation? The Python first calculated the number under brackets. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and then Python multiplied the number with 2 and it came 14 the answer. So next we will continue in simple operations, and this was our last. And in simple operations, I wanna tell you something. There's a quiz that I will share with you. Okay, which option is outputted by this code? Print for QA 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So what will be answer of this? 5 seconds again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the time is up. And the right answer is, guess it? And the right answer is 6.0. Yes, this is the right answer. So we will continue in our lesson of Python, and the next quiz, the next chapter we will learn is our first project. I think that we should do our first project now. So what will be the project? Yeah, we should do a seconds converter. So how many seconds are there in 30 days? So it's simple. Write this. We will make our first project seconds months to seconds converter. So it's easy. How many days are in a month? 30 days. Seconds 60. So the code will be I think I should let you do. So guys, your homework is seconds to hours converter. No, hour months to seconds converter. Now the next chapter is data types. Before we go any further, it's a good idea to introduce the main types of data that we use in Python. Each value of Python has a value. Text like hello world is called a string, as you can see. This hello world, this is called a string. Hello world, this is called a string. Strings are under double quotes. As I show you, whole numbers are called integers. This is called hello world, and this is a string, and this is in quoted with double quotes. And the numbers with decimal points are called floats. Like 6.0 is a float because it has a decimal point, and 1 is a whole number because it has no decimal point. So the next quiz. So our next quiz is, which of these, I show you. Which of these will be stored as a float? Option number 1 is 42. Number 2 is, hey, the number third should be, number third should be 7.4. So guys, which of these will be stored as a float? Which of these now given options are float? Is a float. So time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time's up. So I previously said that a number with a decimal point is called a float, like 6.0, 3.0, 3.2, 3.24. These are the examples, and the right answer is 7.4. And here is a string and 42 is an integer. So now we will learn about floats. So we know that floats are, they are numbers with a decimal, but how do you produce them? How can you write them in cell? Well, we can produce a float by dividing any two integers. Or we can also run an application on two floats, on a float and an integer. So there are two methods of producing floats. We can multiply a number by number like this. 2 multiply 2 divide 8 divided by 2, and when run it produces a decimal number known as float. And the second method is, we can run an application on two floats, like print 2.0 plus 4.2, and this will also produce a float, and this is 6.2. So the last quiz, what will be the quiz? Yeah, what is the output of this code? So I will write a code and you have to answer what will be the answer of this code. 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.0 and plus 5. What will be the answer of this code? Option number 1. Option number 1 is 15. 1 minute. Okay. The options are the number 1, 15, the number 2, 15.0, number 3, 13, number 4, 14.0. What do you think? What will be the right answer of this code? So now I will start timer. 3, 2, 1, start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and times is up. So the right answer of this The right answer of this, 1 minute. The right answer of this code is, what do you think? It is 15.0. As you can see. So now I will continue on the next lesson, which is module exponentiation. So you know about exponents, what are exponents, and now I will tell you how to write how to solve exponents in Python. So as you know, power of 2 is 5. Then how can we write on Python? The power of 2 is 5. Then we can use 2 asterisks. This means exponent. 2 asterisks means exponent. So it will input the power of 2 is 5. Then when we run, you can see 32. This is how we write exponents in Python. So next time we will continue and make a very exciting project. So bye guys, meet you in the next class. Subscribe my channel Tech Overdrive and like this video. Bye.